Interest rates hold strong, but the market continues to improve this week. I'm Tony with Clarkson Santoro, and this is our real estate update for the week of Friday, April 5th. We know that selling or buying a home can be stressful and very confusing. That's why we do these videos every week, so that you can know how the market is affecting you as a homeowner who's thinking about selling or someone who's looking for a house that you would love to call home. Let's take a look at how the market performed this week. There are now 23 homes active on the market, which is 3 more than last week's 20. The average asking price of those homes is $2,104,000, which is down from last week's average asking price of $2,282,000. 7 homes went pending this week, less than the 12 that we had last week, but the average asking price of those pending homes has gone up significantly, up from $1,824,000 last week, now sitting at $2,169,000. Same thing can be seen in the sold homes as well. 7 homes closed this week, which is 1 less than last week, and again, that closing price jumped up significantly. Last week it was at $1,684,000, now it's at $2,010,000. So now that we've seen how the market performed over the past week, let's look at the broader trends that provide insight into its overall health and the potential future direction of the market. But before we proceed, if you do find this information helpful, you can subscribe so you don't miss out on future updates. And while you're at it, why not share this with a friend as well? Everyone deserves to be in the know about their local real estate market. All right, let's take a look at those market indicators. Inventory came back up a few homes this week. It is still sitting in that spot of enough homes to keep buyers interested, but not enough inventory to start reducing home values for the markets that are on the market. Supply is still low, and our demand remains high. And that high demand is demonstrated by the turnover rate. It is up at more than 1.5 times faster than a normal market. The average home is now going pending in less than 10 days. In fact, it seems that the only reason a house stays on the market for more than 10 days is that it is either in a challenging location or just not in good condition. Of course, both of those issues can be overcome with pricing a home correctly, but that is sometimes harder to handle as a homeowner when you see homes around you selling faster or for more than what you're asking. But here we are again at that 1.5 or above that 1.5 turnover rate. Because the demand remains high, we are still seeing bidding wars occur at on a regular basis in our market. The over-under closing price dipped a little this week here, but still remains strong. It was at 7.5% last week. It's now at 7.1%. But that is still works out to well over $100,000 above the asking price for the average home in San Ramon. That over asking price is driven in no small part by the lower valued homes that have been more common on the market in San Ramon over the past few months. That fact is reinforced by the average closing price of homes, now sitting still at that 1.8-ish range, or $100,000 below where the market was at the same time last year. This number is going to start climbing soon, as we are starting to see homes like this week, both pending and closing home averages were above the $2 million range. The Triple Q had another week of pretty flat performance. It is down by about 1% from last week, but still up 7% from the beginning of the year. This level market movement isn't boosting consumer confidence, but the fact that it is staying relatively flat means consumer confidence will not wane, or is not waning either. And interest rates ticked up a little again this week by 3 basis points. Whoops. The Fed keeps talking about reducing interest rates this year, but then they keep missing their target range on inflation. So I don't expect that we can assume rates to drop, or that should be a guarantee this year. I think I think it makes more sense to settle into the idea that the interest rates are going to sit around that 6.5% to 7% range for the foreseeable future, no matter what the Feds keep telling us. This week was another good week for sellers, despite the interest rates refusing to come down. Inventory is remaining in that sweet spot, keeping buyers interested in the market while not providing enough options to remove bidding wars. Homes are selling quickly and with multiple offers, as long as they are prepared well for the market and priced correctly. Now is still a great time to be a homeowner that is trying to sell. Thank you for joining me on our weekly update. I hope this information helped you understand how our market is impacting your options. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can stay informed on how the market is shaping up this year. And if you have any questions about how you can navigate the stressful and confusing process of buying or selling a home, reach out to us directly or leave a comment down below. We're here to help guide you every step of the way. I hope you have a safe weekend, and we'll see you next week with a new update.